participants from India, Bangladesh, and watching us online from the globe. I would like to welcome you all in this T20 International Inter-University J Nepal Cup tournament. It is matter of a great pride for me and my organization to stand here and express my sincere gratitude to all the concerned ones who put their efforts to bring the young minds and heart together at this event. This is a beginning where we, the students across the countries, exchange culture and academic disciplines, can gather and combat the global challenges together and express solidarity. The main reason behind organizing this event, International Inter-University Cricket Tournament, is to strengthen the domestic structure of cricket in Nepal and in universities. Domestic cricket structure is the root of every nation's national squad. After India won the World Cup in 1983, Pakistan in 1992, and Sri Lanka in 1996, cricket flourished in South Asia. The main reason why cricket is so popular in South Asia since the 90s, and the main reason why South Asian teams are strong contenders in the World Cup, is domestic cricket in South Asia. Domestic cricket is the reflection of international cricket, so there is a great need to have such university level cricket tournament and NPL to strengthen grassroots cricket in Nepal. For a long time, we focused on achieving and strengthening democracy, preparing the foundation of universities and educational reforms. But in today's world, changing the world dynamics, data and artificial intelligence, AI, in the era of nanotechnology, the agenda of Nepal Student Union is also changing, and in recent days, there is an additional responsibility in front of us to make the student movement, whose credibility is weakening, to make it as glorious as the past. By breaking the pessimism prevalent in the society, and it is necessary to start new activities and movements. After the attainment of democracy in every circumstances, Nepal student has played a vital role in driving the educational, social and political movements. Now there is another mountain of challenges ahead. Problems such as increasing youth migration, lack of accessible education, chaotic public service delivery, etc. are rampant in the society. The average migration rate in the world is 3%, while Nepal is facing 30% migration rate. This shows how rampant the problem of youth migration is becoming in Nepal. The main reason behind this is the inability to establish, implement and trust in our institution. So we are carrying out a movement to connect universities and industry under the paid internship to about 500 to 600 students in order to solve the problem of internship and employment that students have been facing in Nepal universities for some time. And our aim and goal is to reach 60,000 to 70,000 paid internship in this coming year. As we young leaders, activists and future, we have the power to drive change. The formal state institution and policy making process in general function according to their needs and priorities. As the change agent and pressure group, we must be able to identify the potential threats posed due to trafficking, increased drug use pattern and the social deviant behavior due to lack of basic needs. Respecting different political ideals and thoughts, creating a term spirit as in a team of players, and presenting the vibrancy of civil society in democracies. It is the high time for us to prove that the youth leadership in need. Let us come together to become the voice for the voiceless and lead society towards a sustainable and just future. As in the end, I take this opportunity to thank all the universities, authority globally for representing this tournament. Last but not the least, it's more than a cricket, it's a movement. We will use the ticket money from this cricket tournament to rebuild Beri Pravi school damaged by earthquake in Jajarkot. We also want to give a message to the world of climate crisis by planting a tree for every run scored in this cricket tournament because we are in the grip of climate change. I would like to leave by saying a statement made by Barack Obama, former US President, at the Paris conference about climate change. We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it. Thank you. May the best team win. Jai Nepal.